My name is Gabby. I'm gonna show you how to make a Need for Speed car. Me? This is me. First, if you want to do the first bit, you can, or the back, can do it, but you have to put it the right way. So, getting that, yeah, I'm going to put this and put it the right way. Sorry guys, and I got the door. I'm going to put that there, and 2 more bits, then this bit, and then this bit. The car is called a Corvette C6. Need for Speed. See? I'm going to show you something. I'll show you over here factories that I made. But they're not quite done, so I can't show you. So I'm going to show my car group. I'm just going to get them. Okay? My car group. I'm going to show you them actions. We're just going to go downstairs. My car, that's there. Some more cars. My drag car. Where is it? Sorry guys. Okay. Drag car. I'll show you. Okay? This is my car group. But I lost my wheel. I just have one. Lost the other bit today. So, I got the Need for Speed top by losing a pen. Or pencil. Oh guys, thank you for watching.